action.
Okay, fine. Then you were the Superman with the broken legs.
Yeah, I was a Superman. And I heard that you wanted to be a showman and I ended up being a showpiece. Now explain that to me.
Nikki, actually that is very disgusting story. I can't explain it.
Yeah, audience got to hear that.
It's seriously funny, dude. I was a showpiece over there. I wanted to be a showman. As usual, like every college guys, even me, I was a last bench guy, and I had two of my very besties. Ma'am, actually, she considered me as a don for them. Actually, it was
the other way around.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was listening to them, and they was ordering me, and I was doing all those things what they asked for me to do. So for one day, like ma'am was doing the class, and guys will be always making fun of something. Someone farted from the from the front row. Yes, seriously, dude, unbelievable. That smelled very bad. I told my friend that seriously we should burn his ass.
Okay.
Then he was like, yeah, dude, even I can't tolerate this one. Then one of my friend was sitting near to the girls' row. He all of a sudden interfered in our chat, and he told that there are different types of farting.
Okay.
There are two to three different styles. Like one which is a sounded one.
There's a lot of sound.
Yeah, with a lot of sound. This one. This one. Yeah. He was explaining that. Then another one was which is not which doesn't sound.
It's silent.
Like inside. This one, like a gas. Okay. He told that there are two types. They are very different types. Like one which sounds doesn't smell.
Okay.
Another one which doesn't sounds will smell a lot. We can't tolerate that.
This was the one that was silent.
Yeah, was silent. The end one. The middle one, my middle friend who was sitting in the middle. He told me that, bro, you must have smelled all everyone's ass. All these things. A lot. We can't tolerate that.
This was the one that was silent.
Yeah, was silent. The end one, the middle one, my middle friend who was sitting in the middle, he told me that, bro, you must have smelled all everyone's ass. All these things. Then I was like, seriously, dude. Then we started to laugh easily. Then finally, ma'am thought that we are making fun of her. Yeah, we were cracking the joke. She mistook her. Finally, then she told something like, you talk bad about me in the classrooms, I know what you were talking, all those things. She spoke whatever she wanted. Finally, I told my friends that I will go and ask her. I don't know what we were making fun of something about fart. Why did she mistook? We were talking about something. I told them I will go and ask her what you felt and what we have spoken bad. These guys told that even we will come with you.
Okay.
We will support you. You be the showman. We will support you. Don't worry. We will be the party guys and all. Okay, fine. You be with me. Then I went for a friend, and I just went and asked like this, ma'am, what did I do? What did I what did I speak bad? Then she was like, I know what you spoke. You don't have culture, you don't have tradition that there is, and your parents have not grown up you or whatever the stuff was she wanted. Then my friend started. We know our culture. My parents taught me everything. You don't want to teach us, You teach us business, that is enough. That is enough. You don't teach us anything else. You teach us business, and we will get past and we will go on. You don't talk about my culture and my tradition. They continuously started to they spoke for 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, you didn't get a chance to speak.
No ways. I just asked, what did I speak? That too like a kid, man. Seriously, that too like a kid. I asked, what did I do? Then these guys started to talk.
Those guys who you took for backup, they became the don.
Yeah, they became the don and they became the showman. I was a showpiece. Seriously, I was a showpiece. And finally, after everything, one guy told, in Kannada, we studied in Kannada. So he told, "Your jothe matadakiro machapa." Okay. Finally, then I was standing there. So then she also went. These guys also went, I stood as a showpiece.
It's very funny.
Seriously, everyone has these kinds of funny stories and all. So I was a showpiece over there.